a simple quick Indian traditional sweet recipe, that is Murmura Laddu or puffed rice balls, all age favorite dishes. Come on, let me see the procedure. Welcome back to Kala Style. For this, take 3 cup of puffed rice, 1 cup of jaggery. Now take a heavy thick bottom pan. Keep it in a medium flame. Add 1 cup of jaggery to this. Keep stirring and allow to melt this jaggery completely. Once the jaggery melts completely, let me check the consistency for this recipe. For that, take few drops of jaggery syrup and just drop into the water, and it should not get spread, but this time it is getting spread, so this is not the right consistency. Allow to cook for few more minutes. After few minutes, I am just checking once again. So it is not getting spread, so this is the right consistency. Or for the beginner's sake, what I can suggest you is, when you touch and feel it should form like a ball, or you can drop this ball consistency into the stainless steel plate. You should hear the sound like this. So at this point, you can add 3 cup of puffed rice. Make sure the puffed rice should be fresh. Now give a good mix. Make sure you have to cook in a low flame while you are mixing the puffed rice. After giving good mix, you can switch off the flame. Now immediately apply some ghee to the hands, or using wet hands you can form ball in shape. Beginners, you can go with the help of ladle so that you will get the equal size of balls. If the puffed rice gets stick to the pan after few minutes or few seconds, do not worry. Again you can heat the pan and immediately do the balls. And you can store it in an airtight container. It will be last for 10 to 15 days. So our simple, easy, quick Indian traditional Murmura Laddu been ready here. So hope you also will try and drop the comments in the chat box. So that's all about this recipe. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching my video. Kindly share, subscribe my YouTube channel, Kala Style. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.